Hi, today I want to give you a short review and a couple of close-ups of this cool head strap with magnifying lenses that I bought in Harbor Freight a while ago. So if you are struggling with reading small print, or you're working on small electronics or really small things and you need magnifying glasses, instead of just holding magnifying glass, this is the perfect way to solve the problem, and it's about $5 at Harbor Freight. When you're young, you probably don't have this problem, you can see everything perfectly. I'm getting older, so I find myself using those more and more often. So I was thinking I'm gonna give you a couple of close-ups so you can see if this is something for you. The whole thing is very light. It's made out of plastic. You have a plastic band over here with Velcro, so you can adjust it to basically any head size. On both sides you have small lights. You can put the batteries right here on the side, but I found them to be really useless. They take two AAA batteries. I don't use them at all. The light is not strong enough to really help me with illuminating anything. And you just close it like that. Okay, so this head strap comes with built-in lens right here, and then you have a small magnifying glass just for your right eye, so you can get double probably with what you have. I think the max magnification of this head strap is about 5 times. And what is funny, which I didn't realize up to maybe like 2 months ago, there is another set of lenses right here which I never saw. So you basically flip it like this, and then you lock it in place, and then you have double lenses and plus this. So for example, let's take a look at this board and then look through those glasses. Okay, now I'm going to go and put additional one on, and then you can see the difference. I guess this is, there you go. So this is without, same circuit with max magnification. So I really love this strap, especially you can't beat it for the price, and I keep using that more and more often. And so for those out there are a little bit older or need to work on precision stuff, this is definitely a great buy. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.